Greetings, my name is Ogweno Stephen, and I'm a board member for the World Obesity Federation, and I'm also a lived experience representative at the World Obesity Federation. We are here at the Kenyan first National NCD Conference, or non-communicable diseases conference, where different stakeholders in Kenya have gathered advocates, lived experience, policymakers, technologists, health implementers to come and talk about the state of non-communicable diseases in the country, to come and talk about the state of action on those non-communicable diseases, and further to that, to come and talk about how we move forward in addressing the burden of non-communicable diseases in the country. There has been a lot of presentations on different non-communicable diseases, including two very interesting research projects that were done on obesity and on analysis of the state of obesity in the country, which found out that if obesity was reduced in Kenya, we were able to reduce by many millions, save cash, and improve on the health economics of the country. This is a study that was published by the World Bank, which we are very happy to see, and this study really brought obesity into the forefront of this conversation. As lived experience with obesity, we encourage more research, we encourage more advocacy, we encourage more activities working in the obesity space to be amplified in these different spaces, and we are looking forward to even more work in the non-communicable diseases, seeing that the disease of obesity has gathered national attention and has gathered national interest, and moving forward, we are hoping it will also gather national intervention in addressing the burden of obesity. Thank you very much, and looking forward to continuous engagement.